Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Greadio Rechargeable CD Player Alarm Clock with 8 White Noise Machine. There are features include 12-in-1 Digital Clock CD Boombox. This Boombox CD player features CD, alarm clock, Bluetooth, white noise, remote control, FM radio, AUX, TF, USB, dimmer, rechargeable, large screen. Large dimmable LCD clock display. This CD player alarm clock has 2 sets of independent alarms, snooze function, and customizable alarm ringtones with 5 modes to choose from. And 3 dimmer brightness can be set at any level. White noise machine for sleeping. With 8 sound effects designed to mimic natural environments, white noise, thunder, birds chirping, rain, summer nights, streams and lullabies. This CD player boombox can easily help you or the baby fall asleep. 10 to 90 minutes auto-off timer. 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. This clock radio with CD player includes a built-in 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 11 hours of continuous playback. Bluetooth 5.1 transmitter and receiver. With the Bluetooth receiver, the radio CD player can connect to your phone, tablet, and computer. With Bluetooth transmission, you can stream sound to wireless headphones, earphones, and Bluetooth speakers. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.